Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Okay, now all of you are here?
Yeah.
Yeah, inshallah ta'ala. So this is, we say plug and play. This is a program in Urdu, but we are going to translate in English for ourselves. Okay?
Okay.
So it's a easy method of understanding Quran meaning. So this is saying, Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa barik wa sallim, Rabbi zidni ilma. From the first lesson, you will start translating meanings. Okay?
Okay.
And the B fatah. Okay. What is this point? With one point, you will start learning one point. You will start translating loads of words of Quran. Okay. Inshallah. Let's start. Bismillah. And this is sabara, shakara, dakara, zalama. So can you see all these? Okay?
Yeah.
So sabara, shakara, dakara, zalama, jama'a. And now this one are sabara, he been patient. Shakara, what is shakara mean? He thanked. Dakara, he did dhikr. You know what is remembering Allah, yeah?
Yeah.
He says, Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, Allahu Akbar, anything we are doing dhikr. Zalama, he did zulm. Zulm mean, what is you understand from zulm? Zulm is when you oppress someone, yeah?
Yeah.
So Jama'a, he gathered. Okay? So every word have he, the meaning of he. Okay? And
Okay.
he is a third person who is like third person we can't see, yeah? Third person. Sabara, shakara, zakara, zalama, jama'a. He did. Okay?
Okay.
Masculine, single masculine, third person. Everything on these weight. Any words coming on these weight, we will say hidden. Okay? In Quran, anything you see, any word you see in Quran, there are 3 fathahs on the word. Could be something else joined with it, but at the moment we just see hidden. Okay?
Okay.
So what he did, that is, they all are doer. Yeah? They are doers. They're file. They're doers. Arabic word is file. The person who is doing things. He done. So from today, write down 3 fatah mean 3 fatah on 3 words. These all are root words. Okay? Any 3 fatah letters together, they come together to make a word. 3 letters word called root word. Okay?
Okay.
They can be asbiruna, sabiruna, sabir, shakir, dakir, zalim. Okay?
Okay.
But everyone will have the root word inside. That means what is root word? Root A is the word, and you can make lots of words out of this. Okay? Putting this in the middle. Okay? So this is sabara, shakara, takara, and this is kakara. He denied razaka. He gave rizq. Rizq is everything like sustainer, we say. Yeah? So he gave risk, he gave everything like food, water, drink, clothing, everything. Yeah? Risk comes under even our ilm come under risk. What is ilm? What is ilm? Knowledge. Knowledge come under risk as well. Okay. So they all called he did. He denied. So he gave risk or you say sustain. Risk is a sustainer, I think is the English word. And andara, he it's like told them, give them information. Faddala. So these all, any you see 3 words and you see the English meaning, you can look for the English meaning, okay?
Okay.
Even if you take, I will send you PDF and you can take a photo and try to translate in English for you, okay? Can you
Good.
do that? Can you use translator?
I think so.
Google Translator?
Yes.
Yeah. So use Google Translator and translator and translate into English all these words and keep in diary. Okay, keep them in diary. The basic is he did everything. That is a doer. All these are file. That mean doing job. These are jobs who done. He did. Okay. Fail. We say fail and file. Do you understand fail and file?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. In English grammar as well. Yeah. I'm not going to teach you grammar here. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay.
It's not a grammar, but without escaping grammar, you will understand the meaning of lots of different words. Inshallah ta'ala. So this one, fa'ala. Fa'ala, he did. Okay. So, all these this one as well. Kataba, he wrote. Zalama, he oppressed. Fataha, he opened. Allama, he taught. Khalaqa, he created. An'ama, he, what is an'am mean? Like giving reward, okay? He gave reward. Amana, he accepted. Arsala, he sent. Ja'ala, he made. All these, some of them are there and some of them you can find out from the Google Translate. And this is Samia. So those were all 3 fatah and some will have 2 fatah as well. So we will see first and last letter out of 3 will have a fatah and the middle letter can change. Fatah, kasra, dhamma. Why I'm telling you that? Because today few times you kept changing to ya to ta. And I want you to make sure you understand when we change ya to ta, that is, we are changing third person to second person, okay?
Okay.
It's a big, huge difference we are seeing. And Arabic fatha kasra dhamma can, there is a apostrophe sign, okay?
Okay.
Kasra is apostrophe sign for S, like you write S, yeah?
Yes.
Uncle's pen, you write uncle's pen. So that S, kasra cover that S. Then you see any kasra, it covers S. Any, the last letter kasra, not the middle letter, okay? But this still means Samia, he listened. Still, it will be he, okay? First, we read all 3 with fatha, he did. Whatever did, wrote, pressed, opened, thought, created, and accepted, sent, made, yeah, did anything. But he did. The single male, the singular, we say masculine, third person. Okay, for all these. Even this one as well, Samia. It doesn't make a difference if the middle letter have kasra. Still the meaning are same. Still he did and he did here. Okay. So this may write down the difference between here you can see more. So what we are going to recognize, I struggle, I don't know how to use pen here. Otherwise, I can use pen to write down. Because I would like to write with pen, but I can't. I don't know how to write on this one with pen. Maybe you all know better than me. I don't know much draw.
I don't really know either.
I started. So Alhamdulillah, let's start. Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. Right. Yes. So what I need pick one. Okay, this is a Samia. Eh?
Yeah.
Samia, he listened. Still is he did. Okay. And
Okay.
Amila, so we will remember first letter and third letter, the last letter, first letter and the last letter will keep fatha. But the middle letter can change, can receive fatha, kasra or dhamma. Okay.
Okay.
This is our Hamida. He praised Fa'ala. So this is Fa'ala. Fa'ala is a very special word where which one we remember. Okay.
Okay.
Is a special word we remember. Why? Because from Fa'ala we will make lots of different. We will remember Fa kalima, Fa letter, Ain letter, and Lam letter. Okay. So
Okay.
Fa letter stay same, Lam letter stay same, but Ain letter can change. Okay.
Okay.
Ain letter can change. Ain letter can receive either fatha, kasra, or dhamma. Fa, same. Kasra, just let me write once, one line, and then it goes back. I don't know why. So, fa, a, la. And same has, si, samia. So this one can change and this is same. Inshallah, and the meaning, does meaning change? Does meaning change if I put kasra instead of fatha on ain kalima?
No.
Kalima mean word. Arabic word, Arabic, we say word in English and Arab say kalima. Okay?
Okay.
Anything you say from your tongue called kalima. Inshallah. So fa kalima, same, lam kalima, same, but ain kalima can change, can receive fatha kasra dhamma. And andala is sent down, is sent. So still there are 4 words you can see, 4 letters, but still 3 fathas. Yeah?
Yeah.
Still because some root word will have 4 letters in and some root word will have 3 letters in, and more 90% Arabic root letters are 3. Okay, how many?
3.
90% Arabic root words are 3 letters. Okay? Sometimes like Anzala have 4 letters and just few have 5 and only some just little bit amount have 6 root letters as well. We don't have to worry about them. We don't go through that. We just go for 3 words, 3 letter word. Okay.
Okay.
Concentrate on 3 words. So what did we learn today? What did we learn?
There's
Can you see
3.
the fingers?
Yes.
So first finger have fatah, that means zabar. The last finger have fatah again. The middle finger, what can we write?
What did you say?
The middle finger, what can we do with the middle finger?
We can change it.
We can change. So that means 3 fingers, 3 letters in one word. We can change the
Yes.
middle one, but we don't need to change the first or last. Keep the first or last. As you can see, there are more. And Khatama, he stamped. Allama, he taught. Khala, he said. Khala, he said. Khalaqa, he created. Dakara, he did. Dhikr. Shakara, he did. Shukr. Shukr mean thank. He thanked. Qatala, he killed. Mana'a, he stopped. Shariba, he drank. Shahida, he witnessed. Radiya, he satisfied or he was happy. Sami'a, he listened. So kind of all of them, there are more, but this is Urdu meaning. You can find out. Rahima, he did mercy. Okay, Rahima. Ar-Rahman is Allah's name. Most merciful, most kind. Yeah.
Yes.
So they both have Rahima in them. Rahman and Ar-Rahim both have Rahima. A root word, the real word, which they both made out of, that was Rahima. Okay, Rahima. And inshallah ta'ala, this is Ghafara. We say Ghafoor, Ghaffar, Ya Ghaffar, Ya Ghafoor. We call Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Ighfirli, forgive me. So this is the Ghafara. Okay, all those words made out of Ghafara. Abada. Abada means he worshipped. Jama'a, he gathered. Akhala, he entered. Fataha, he opened. And which one left? The new one. Amila, he did. Kharaja, he exited. Or he came out. Kazzaba, he denied. Sajada, he did sajda. And we know what sajda is, prostrated. Yeah? Khalaqa and raka'a, he did ruku. Zabaha, he did zibha. Zibha, we know, slaughtered. Qara'a, he read. Rafa'a, he made higher. Rafa'a, Allah's, for Allah as well comes. Rafa darajat, higher rank. You know, rank will be higher in Jannah as well and in this dunya as well. Kataba, he wrote. Inshallah ta'ala. So these are all again and again with new words. There are more. Only they all are same. Sa'ala, he questioned. Arsala, he sent. Just a few new ones. Zayyana, he made beautiful. Like he said, decorated. He decorated. Akhraja. Kharaja, he came out. And akhraja, he brought out. Nasara, he helped. and that's it. Rest of them, I think they all are we done. Nazara, he looked. Sadaka, he told truth. And I know maybe you are bored from this, but Alhamdulillah, if you understood these one, okay,
Okay.
this is the basic. You will understand 90% Arabic if you understood these one, okay?
Okay.
It's a big, huge thing I'm giving you. And Alhamdulillah, this is somebody's hard work. They translated Quran this way. They made like they programmed. This is somebody's hard work. Okay. So this is one. And now, if all of them are there, they are single, yeah?
Yeah.
Single, masculine, third person. Yeah? Is everybody there?
Yeah.
Yeah. So single, masculine, third person
Mm.
who is not in front of us. Yeah?
Yeah.
So third person, who we say third person to, who is not in front of us.
Yeah.
Who is Gaib. Gaib mean who is hidden. We don't know.
Mm.
Not in front of us. So that is a third person. And if we add, now there is a, because I just want to give you in shortcut, Alhamdulillah, I know you all are very clever and you will quickly fix all these things. So if you see any of these, this is making, and we just add wow and alif in front of them, that will make plural. Okay.
Okay.
Or any of them, all of them, you see, any of them. Okay.
Okay.
In front of any of them, you add wow and alif. How? I'll give you an easy one. Write down maybe our fa'ala. So I will write fa'alu. Okay. Fa'alu. And on this way you make all these. Okay.
Okay.
Fa'alu. How will you do? What I'm going to put on
Alif.
fa.
Yes.
Fa will have fatah.
Mm.
And I will have fa'alu.
Fatah.
Ain kalima have fatah. And lam kalima will change into
Dhamma.
dhamma. Do you know why? Why we need to change it?
Because there is wow.
There is a wow sukoon. Wow sukoon doesn't like any other harka before it. So wow sukoon says, I don't want to change, you change. Letter before, wow is saying you change harka. So lam said, okay, I'll change. I don't have problem changing. So lam changed his harka and became lu. Yeah? Because lam needs help of wow to be stretched. Wow didn't want to change any harka, anything, because the wow doesn't have any harka. Okay? Wow wanted lam to change harka. So falu, they all did. Okay?
Okay.
Falu, they all did. Sami'u, they all listened. Amilu, they. Then you say they, you don't need to say all. Okay?
Okay.
They listened. And they mean they all masculine. Hasiba, they all thought. Hamida, they all praised. Anzala, sorry. Samia, Sami'u, they all listened. Amila, Amilu, they all did. Hasiba, Hasibu, they all thought, Hamidu, they all praised, Anzalu, they all sent. Fa'alu, I already made for you. Yeah?
Yeah.
Now this rest of them is homework for you all. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Or no? Now you just tell me the truth because I don't want to waste my time and I don't want to waste your all time. But if you didn't enjoy this, I will not do again. Okay?
Okay.
So you can let me know. If you didn't enjoy,
I
and
enjoy.
sometimes we don't enjoy something what is better for us, yeah?
Yeah.
What you think?
We enjoyed it.
Sometimes we don't enjoy something, it is looks like boring, but this is I tell you today, it's a shortcut to understand Arabic. It's a shortcut, and you will not find any program like this which will tell you in English, and somebody will tell you English. I wish somebody can translate this who can speak better English. And if you can help me, that will be your sadaqah jariyah, a continuous charity. Okay, all three of you.
Okay.
Okay, because this is a something special. Somebody's from Saudi Arabia. He spent his about 30 years in Saudi Arabia, and then he went back to his country, Pakistan, and he thought, why my people are not, why they are lacking of understanding, why they don't understand Quran, because even Urdu, my language, is similar than Arabic language. Yeah?
Yeah.
This is some words are written, the translation is in Urdu, and because Urdu is a similar language, 65% Arabic is Urdu. Okay, Urdu and Arabic are 65% matching with the meaning as well, words and meaning. So 15% are again and again we repeat in Arabic, again and again we remember. This is like kala, kala, kala. Many hundred times comes, thousand times come, and we remember kala, he said. Eh? So this way we remember. And 20% are only, 15% are only pure Arabic, 20% repeating, and but for English speaker, you don't have any much luck which are matching like the your language doesn't match with Arabic. So that's why you have to a little bit work harder. Yeah.
Yeah.
But once you find out is inshallah, what I want to give you, you inshallah will enjoy and you will carry on this to other people to spread Islam, inshallah. Okay?
Okay.
Because this is something new. Somebody did it, and I alhamdulillah did this course, and now I'm teaching. This is level 1. Okay?
Okay.
I'm teaching in my language, but you are the first one. At first time I opened this program in front of you all. Because I really love you all for sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You are like my children. And my students are always for teachers, students are like children, their children. So you are my sadaqah jariyah, continuous charity for me, all of you. So inshallah ta'ala, all of them, they, they made a nice way as well. Like this is a circle, yeah?
Yeah.
Kala, if you write instead of all these, you don't need them. You write Kala, he said, yeah, that's it. He said, and underneath you write Kalu, and you will stretch, yeah. Kalu, they said, they all said or they said. And the top heading, you will say masculine third person. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Third person is past, if you say past sentence. Yeah?
Okay.
Present, past, present, and future. That is English term, but Arabic doesn't have a past, present, and present and future. Arabic only have past and it says Madi is past and Madari is present and future. Madari cover present and future. Yeah?
Yeah.
This is Arabic term, Madari. Madi and Madari. So two only. No any other. The only they have two times. Like no three. So inshallah, this one, for all of them, make a folder, write down for everybody, write down. Wherever we stuck, we will use a Google Translator, okay?
Okay.
Inshallah. And remember that all the words I am giving you on this PDF, they all used in Quran. Okay?
Yes.
It's
Okay.
100% Quranic words I'm giving you. Okay?
Okay.
Inshallah ta'ala. So I'll leave you here. And would you like a PDF?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Okay, I recorded for you as well, so you may listen again. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Inshallah ta'ala, and I will send you as well. I just keep I'm not very good at it. Maybe you will be my helper to find out more. For me today, first time I wrote for you, maybe Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave me ability and made me understand how to use pen on here, because I wanted to use pen before and I couldn't. But today I worked out, even though it's not for longer, because I have to keep changing. I need to maybe open in different, like maybe in paint or in drawing, because I am opening just black PDF. I don't know what to do.
Mm.
But
Yeah.
inshallah ta'ala, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for you and enjoy yourself. All three of you can sit down, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Use 1 hour whenever you find and study this Allah's book. Inshallah, inshallah, soon you will find out very quickly. One word you learned Allah, and that means you learned the meaning of thousands words. Kala, kala, repeat. Kala, kalu, kala, kalu. Many, many times comes in Quran, okay?
Okay.
You learned Kala and you learned Kalu. And today you covered 2 lessons already. Okay?
Okay.
Lesson number 1 was this, because the second PDF will be for with Wow and Alif. Okay?
Okay.
You will get example of Wow Alif. And today is they just give you. First is number 1 is P for us. Number 2 is last letter will receive kasra is Dhamma, and Wow Alif you make like right in front of it. But Quran always give you words. You don't need to get any more. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Walaikum
Dua.
salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
This is the dua we always make end of our session.
Mm.
And use your mummy and bring your mummy together as well. Okay?
Okay.
But this mummy will inshallah learn and she will enjoy as well.
Yes.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh with family activity.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.